The allure of cabin living beckoned, offering a serene escape from the city to reconnect with nature and create a peaceful retreat. With a clear vision in mind, they pondered the purpose of their dream cabin. Would it be a weekend getaway or a full-time home? Identifying their dream cabin style became essential. Should it be rustic and charming, modern and sleek, or a blend of both? Choosing the perfect location was next. Should it sit on flat land, a sloping hillside, or perhaps right by the water for serenity? Proximity to amenities also mattered, balancing the tranquility of seclusion with the convenience of grocery stores, healthcare, and internet access. Sustainable living considerations emerged: precious water access, efficient energy sources, and strategies to minimize their environmental footprint. Building the blueprint required thoughtful design and functionality, ensuring the layout would accommodate their lifestyle seamlessly. Incorporating sustainable features was paramount, combining energy-efficient appliances, solar panels, and a rainwater harvesting system into their dream plan. Interior design inspiration sparked visions of harmony, where rustic charm intertwined effortlessly with modern comforts throughout the cabin. Next came selecting the right materials, favoring sustainable building options like reclaimed wood, locally sourced stone, and eco-friendly insulation. Emphasizing durability, they sought materials that could withstand the elements and gracefully age with beautiful patinas over time. Collaborating with skilled craftsmen became essential for quality construction, ensuring excellence in carpentry, masonry, and other expert trades. With construction underway, finishing touches came next, creating a warm and inviting ambiance within their dream cabin haven. Curating the perfect atmosphere involved selecting furniture and decor that echoed their unique style and every cherished memory. Adding personal touches transformed the cabin further as they infused their own unique style, making it a true reflection of themselves. As the cabin neared completion, maintaining and preserving it became a priority, ensuring it would last for generations to come. Regular upkeep was essential, including seasonal checks on the roof, plumbing, and insulation, ensuring comfort even in harsh weather. Personal connections to nature were vital. Creating outdoor spaces encouraged enjoyment of the sights, sounds, and serenity surrounding their cabin. To enhance relaxation, they designed spaces for inspiration, quiet reflection, and rejuvenating moments amidst nature's beauty. They explored options for recreational features like hiking trails, a fire pit, and gardens, enhancing their cabin lifestyle with outdoor activities. As seasons changed, they cherished winter holidays filled with warmth and gatherings, each moment a celebration within their dream haven. Summer months bloomed with outdoor dinners under the stars, laughter echoing as fireflies danced around their joyful gatherings. Autumn brought vibrant foliage, inspiring cozy evenings by the fireplace with hot cocoa, the scent of pine wafting in the air. The rich sensations of spring invited new life with blooming flowers and the melodic chirping of birds, breathing joy into everyday moments. As time passed, these cherished memories woven into every corner transformed the cabin into a true sanctuary for their family. Embarking on this journey of cabin living meant sharing stories by the fire, crafting traditions, and creating bonds that would last a lifetime. The beauty of cabin life lay in the simplicity, allowing them to savor the little joys, like the sunrise filtering through the trees. They fell in love with stargazing nights, where the sky blanketed reality in shimmering constellations, connecting them to the universe. Engaging with local wildlife became a delightful surprise. Deer would wander close and birds visited, all part of their natural embrace. As seasons passed, the cabin evolved, experiencing the beauty of weathering storms and basking in sunlight, becoming a resilient haven. The community surrounding their cabin became a cherished part of their story. Friends and neighbors sharing joyful moments and seasonal celebrations. Embracing community, they discovered local markets, artisan crafts, and farm-fresh produce, enhancing their cabin lifestyle with unique finds. Engaging in sustainable practices, they planted trees and flowers around their cabin, reinforcing a deep connection to the land and its care. Their dream cabin became a haven for creativity, filled with inspiration for art, writing, and personal reflection amidst the peaceful scenery. Capturing moments through photography immortalized their experiences, blending joy and nature into visual memories to share for years to come. With time, their cabin came alive with laughter and love, echoing the importance of family and friends in the spaces they created. They embraced the lessons learned from each moment spent there, growing together and understanding the true essence of life amidst simplicity. Returning to the cabin season after season, they rediscovered its magic, witnessing the transforms the setting brought to their lives. The dream cabin ultimately became a cherished legacy, a sanctuary passed down through generations, echoing love, memories, and natural beauty. And so, the journey of designing their dream cabin transformed into a celebration of life itself, reminding them to cherish every moment together.